In this video, we'll be covering the use of the Hero NXT special purpose car seat. Before each journey, check the ISOFIX connections are secured, that the foot prop is in the correct position, and that the damping bracket is in contact with the vehicle seat backrest. The full video on Hero NXT installation is available as part of this video series. One of the first things to do when using the Hero NXT is to determine if the child is to be in the forward or rear facing position. The grey button on the side of the base allows you to swivel the Hero NXT, which in turn also enables the orientation of the restraint to be changed from forward to rear facing or vice versa. The rearward facing position must be used until the child is at least 76 centimeters tall or is 15 months old. However, it may be decided to continue to use the rearward facing position beyond this if it's beneficial for the child. For this demonstration, we will start by swiveling the restraint so that it's facing the vehicle door. Undo the restraint harness using the buckle and, if necessary, loosen the harness straps by pressing the silver lever at the front of the seat and pulling the shoulder straps to the desired length. Next, transfer the child into the restraint, ensuring the shoulder straps of the inbuilt harness are in line with the top of the shoulders. If they are not, the size of the restraint may need to be adjusted. Ensure the buckle is done up at the front of the child. There should be an audible click. The harness should then be tightened by pulling on the grey strap at the front of the seat to ensure a supportive and snug fit. Care should be taken to ensure the harness webbing is not twisted or trapped and must be completely tightened. The restraint is now ready to be swiveled to the forward or rearward position. Take care to ensure that when doing this, the restraint locks into position. The safety strip located on the swivel base is an indicator for the locking mechanism of the swivel base. If this is indicating red, check the restraint and ensure it is locked into position before travel, and that this red section has disappeared. The Hero NXT features a range of adjustments which can be made to tailor the restraint to the needs of the child. The lateral supports of the Hero NXT can be adjusted to provide the appropriate level of support for the child. The placement of these supports should be guided by an appropriately trained healthcare professional. To adjust the tilt of the Hero NXT seat unit, use the grey lever at the front of the seat and tilt to the desired position. To grow the restraint, pull the handle at the top of the head support, whilst using your other hand to separate the two layers of plastic in the back section. This can be done with or without the padding in place. Take care to separate these layers when growing the restraint, as otherwise the hook and loop connection will prevent the adjustment from happening. During the use of the Hero NXT, care should be taken to ensure the child has not outgrown the weight capacity for the restraint, which is 18 kilos. If the child is approaching this weight limit, consider review of their safe transport plan with an appropriately trained healthcare professional. As with any child restraint, you should periodically check for loose, missing, or damaged parts of the restraint that may impair its safety performance. Thank you very much for watching.